Fixed UAV Detection and Defense Integrated System is a set of UAV comprehensive countermeasures and defense system. With the multi-technology fusion and multi-function integration, multi-system linkage, and multi-methods coordinated operation, it can identify, alert, directionally find, jam, and perform in all weather, all time, and all airspace detection. It should be installed on open areas or the top of buildings. When being installed, the equipment should be tightly fixed on the ground, and then the main box is connected to the shelf bracket and the directional finding antenna should be fixed on the holding rod. Then the antennas are screwed onto the corresponding connectors on the main box by rotating in clockwise direction one by one. And finally, the directional finding antenna should be connected to the main box of the equipment through a data connection cable and two coax cables. The device supports AC power or UPS, and it can be remotely monitored from the TCP/IP interface. 4G or wireless network connection are available as well. After a power supply and network cable are connected, turn on the equipment by pressing the Start button. Log in to access the defense system interface. The software interface mainly consists of three functional parts, such as the left side function menu, the lower side function menu, and the right side information display control area. The system will automatically generate an alarm when drones are being detected. The main interface displays information such as the number of drones, model, frequency, direction, altitude, serial number detected by the system aligns with the drone's identification. Meanwhile, the device can carry out real-time positioning and trajectory tracking of the UAV and RC remote controller. User can manually control the jamming frequency band and carry out wideband jamming or precision strikes measurement against the drones. After the unattended mode is turned on, the system will automatically filter whitelisted drones, and only non-whitelisted drones will be jammed. Click the Events button to check time of discovery, duration, model, serial number, frequency, and other information. Click the Whitelist button to manage the whitelist for drones. Click the Statistics button to check the drone incident statistics report. Through clicking the Device Management button, user can instantly check and monitor